Hello everyone and welcome to Module 6. This is week 6. This week we're going to be covering chapters 11 and 12 in our textbook. They will consist of utilizing work samples to document children's development. We're also going to talk a little bit more about children's creativity development and the difference between stages of art, the children's art. We'll be examining children's others creative media and how to relate to all children with creativity. So how can we relate to make sure that we're hitting all the children in our classroom, their needs with creativity. We will describe various technological devices that can be used for observing and recording children's development within the classroom. This really helps with when you're utilizing DRDPs. It'll tell you different devices that you can utilize to make that a little easier. We'll examine the links between dramatic play and development, as well as demonstrate strategies a teacher can use to help all children in dramatic play. So the SLOs that we're covering this week is utilizing different assessment tools and how can we, the limitations, applications, and how can we utilize them when we are creating these observations, as well as data collection. So how are we going to use this data that we collected from these assessment tools in order to inform the environmental design, interactions, as well as curriculum within the classroom? To be successful, as you see, there is no class Zoom meeting this week due to our Thanksgiving holiday. So happy Thanksgiving early. I hope you all have a wonderful time spending time with your family and friends this week. So you might want to go ahead and get some of this work out of the way early so you can enjoy your Thursday and Friday off. This week we'll be reading, once again, chapters 11 and 12 within our textbooks. You will be utilizing the information you receive in those chapters to complete your quizzes. By Friday the 26th. Again, it's up to you when you want to do these. You can do everything by Wednesday, and that way have the rest of the week to enjoy with family. Your discussion board this week is on the social play stages, and we kind of talked a little bit about this already. You want your main original thread due is by Wednesday 24th, and your 2 peer responses by the 26th. All 3 must be on different days. Again, you can do this early and get this out of the way prior to Thanksgiving. We talked about social play stages, and it's really going to play an integral key in this next observation. And let me go ahead and jump to our social play. So you're going to refer back to the social play stages, and they're on page 125 to 127. And they consist of the onlooker, solitary, parallel, associative, and cooperative. What I'd like you to do is compare these to our dramatic play stages that are located on page 353. I'd like you to classify each into the social play stage. So in other words, they're even named the same. So onlooker versus onlooker. So onlooker social play stage versus onlooker dramatic play stage. So I want you to compare and contrast. How are they the same? How are they different? And then compare your findings with your peer. Again, your original thread is due Wednesday the 24th and by that date, and then 2 peer posts by Friday the 26th. And again, you can do this early. Let's go back to this. Okay, and then that is your discussion board. And then you're going to continue to work on your observation number 3, which is the social and emotional development. And it is due by December 4th. So please continue to work on that. Your peer review is due by December 1st. Make sure you submit that in time. And I believe it's in module 5. If you want to go through our review, it's a great resource to utilize our Zoom recording that we went into detail over observation 3. So please make sure to look through that, look through your instructions, look over the rubric. If you still have questions, you have your peers through Pronto, you may ask questions, but please feel free to ask me. You can email me directly and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, have a great week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will talk to you all soon.